The judges felt that this individual truly understands the importance of their apprenticeship and the positive impact it's had on their life. They are keen to share their apprenticeship experience with others, and they are clearly motivated to inspire others with their own journey. They are an all-round excellent ambassador for apprenticeships. The winner of the MTA Apprenticeship Champion of the Year is Rebecca Wright from the University of Sheffield, AMRC.
My job title is engineering technician, and one of the main responsibilities is robotics. So if there is any problems with a robot, I will try my hardest to overcome that. Factory 2050 is a really good place to work purely because all the technology is changing. It can be daily, weekly or monthly, but there's always something new to do. And it's a great place to work, but it's also a great place to learn.
Rebecca is deserving of this award due to her integrating seamlessly within the integrated manufacturing group at the AMRC. She has demonstrated great technical ability with picking up robot programming, CAD design work, and she has also become a mental health champion for the AMRC and now the wider University of Sheffield.
Being a mental health champion, it allows me to help other people and make the workplace a better place for everyone. In the future, I would really like to complete my degree to a high standard. Going back to school times, I was told that I probably wouldn't get far, but now I'm here, I feel like I could.